Welcome to Gamifying Learning, making education as addictive as social media. In this video, we'll explore how to transform education into an engaging and irresistible experience. Have you ever wondered why social media platforms can keep us hooked for hours, while learning often feels like a chore? This video is for educators, content creators, and anyone passionate about making learning more engaging. We'll delve into the psychology behind addiction and how to harness those principles for education. At the heart of social media's appeal is the dopamine loop. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter, plays a crucial role in reward-motivated behavior. When we get a like or a notification, our brains release dopamine, creating a feeling of pleasure that encourages us to repeat the action. Understanding this loop is the first step to leveraging it for learning. So what exactly makes social media so incredibly addictive? It's a combination of factors: immediate gratification, variable rewards, social validation, and a sense of progress. These elements create a powerful feedback loop that keeps users coming back for more. We see endless feeds, unpredictable notifications, and the constant urge to check what's new, all designed to trigger that dopamine response. Now let's pivot and explore how we can apply these same powerful principles to the realm of learning. Imagine if learning experiences could evoke the same level of excitement and engagement as scrolling through your favorite social media feed. It's not about trivializing education, but about making it inherently more appealing and rewarding. The first step in making learning addictive is creating an irresistible hook, something that immediately captures attention and ignites intrinsic motivation. This involves tapping into novelty and making the learning experience feel fresh and exciting. Think beyond traditional lectures and consider interactive, unexpected starts to your lessons. The goal is to make learners want to engage, not feel forced. A key part of the hook is tapping into natural curiosity and personal relevance. When learners see how a topic connects to their lives or answers a question they genuinely have, their motivation skyrockets. Design your learning content to pose intriguing questions, present real-world problems, and highlight practical applications. This makes the information feel valuable and directly applicable, increasing the desire to learn more. Another powerful aspect of the hook is offering personalized learning paths and choices. Just like social media algorithms tailor content to individual preferences, learning can be customized to match a learner's pace, style, and interests. Providing choices in how they learn, what topics they explore, or even the order of content can significantly boost engagement and a sense of ownership over their learning journey. Once you have the hook, the next crucial step is designing for action, creating interactive engagement and appropriate challenges. Learning shouldn't be passive. It needs to involve active participation, problem solving, and continuous interaction. This keeps the learner invested and prevents disengagement that often comes with simply consuming information. This is where gamified elements truly shine. Integrate quizzes that aren't just for assessment, but for immediate feedback and progression. Introduce challenges that require critical thinking and application of knowledge. Use simulations that allow learners to practice skills in a safe, interactive environment. These elements transform learning from a passive reception of information into an active, engaging pursuit. To maintain engagement, ensure progressive difficulty and clear mastery levels. Start with foundational concepts and gradually introduce more complex challenges. This creates a sense of accomplishment as learners progress, much like leveling up in a game. Providing clear indicators of progress and mastery keeps motivation high and encourages learners to tackle more difficult tasks, always pushing for the next level. The variable reward is perhaps the most critical element borrowed from social media. It's not just about getting a reward, but the unpredictability sine praedanos of that reward. In learning, this translates to timely, meaningful, and sometimes unexpected feedback and recognition. This keeps the learner engaged and creates a desire for continued participation, hoping for that next gratifying piece of feedback. For learning, this means providing immediate and meaningful feedback. This isn't just about right or wrong. It's about providing insights, guiding next steps, and celebrating successes. Think about how a social media post instantly gets likes or comments. In learning, this could be immediate feedback on a quiz answer, personalized tips based on performance, or a pop-up congratulating them on completing a module. The quicker and more relevant the feedback, the stronger the reinforcing loop. Tangible rewards like points, badges, and leaderboards can also be powerful motivators. Points track progress, badges signify achievement, and leaderboards foster healthy competition. Virtual currency could unlock additional content or learning tools. These elements provide concrete recognition for effort and progress, making the learning journey feel more like a game with tangible milestones to strive for. Finally, we come to the investment, encouraging social learning and creation. Social media thrives on users creating content and interacting with others. In learning, this means fostering community and empowering learners to contribute. When learners invest their time and effort into creating something or collaborating with peers, they develop a deeper connection to the material and the learning process itself. Fostering community and collaboration is essential. Create opportunities for learners to interact, discuss, and learn from each other. This could be through online forums, group projects, peer reviews, or collaborative problem-solving exercises. The social aspect adds another layer of engagement, making learning less isolated and more dynamic. Just like how social media encourages connections, learning platforms can build a vibrant community. Empowering learners to create and share knowledge is the ultimate form of investment. Instead of just consuming information, encourage them to produce something: a presentation, a video, a blog post, or even a tutorial for others. This act of creation solidifies their understanding and allows them to take ownership of their learning. When they share their creations and receive feedback, it further reinforces the learning loop, mimicking the rewarding experience of content creation on social platforms. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at how to make learning as addictive as social media. By understanding the dopamine loop and applying the principles of the hook, action, variable reward, and investment, we can revolutionize education and empower learners to become lifelong enthusiasts. To recap, we've covered creating an irresistible hook with intrinsic motivation and novelty, designing engaging actions through gamified elements and progressive difficulty, implementing variable rewards with immediate feedback and recognition, and fostering investment through social learning and creation. These are the pillars of truly addictive learning. The future of education isn't just about delivering information. It's about crafting experiences that are so compelling, so rewarding, and so personalized that learners can't help but come back for more. It's time to unleash your creativity and start making learning irresistible. What principles will you apply first? Let us know in the comments below.